Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am going to share plum cake or fruitcake. This non-alcoholic fruitcake recipe is moist. Dark cake is loaded with yummy tasting dried fruits and nuts and 100% alcohol free. Everyone must be looking for a special fruitcake recipe during this holiday season. You must try this at home. First, we need to soak the dry fruits. For that, I am using 1 cup of orange juice. You can use grape juice as well. You need to soak it for at least overnight for a better result. Added half cup of tutti frutti and quarter cup of raisins. Cover and soak it. Heat a saucepan, add quarter cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons water. Allow the sugar to caramelize slowly and evenly by swirling the pan. When the melted sugar has reached a dark amber color, you can turn off the heat and add about half cup of water. Then the sugar will harden. Turn the heat back on and slowly heat the mixture until the sugar crystal dissolves. Switch off the heat, leave the mixture and let it cool. We need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, and all spices 1 teaspoon. Sieve the flour mix and set aside. Beat the softened butter and half cup of sugar until fluffy with an electric beater. For this recipe, we are using 2 eggs. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition and scraping down the sides of the bowl. Add another egg and beat well. And then you can add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Finally, add in the caramelized sugar and mix it well. Drain the soaked dry fruits and you can add quarter cup of chopped dates, quarter cup of chopped cashews to it. Toast the dry fruits with 3 tablespoons of flour. This will prevent the fruits from sinking to the bottom of the cake. Finally, I am adding the quarter cup of soaked orange juice to the wet ingredients. Now add in the flour mix and mix with the prepared batter. Add in the dry fruits and nuts to it and gently stir them in with a spatula. Line this springform pan with a parchment paper and keep it aside. Pour this batter into your prepared cake pan. Tap it few times and then top it with more dry fruits and nuts. Bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. I partially covered the cake with a foil halfway through the baking. This will stop browning the top fast. Place the cake on a wire rack to cool and then turn the cake out of the pan and allow it to cool completely before slicing. Happy holidays everyone! Enjoy your holidays with your family and friends, and please try this at home and let me know your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon back with another video. Bye. Take care.